Hi guys, can Bitcoin go down to $4,000? Let's find out. Welcome to the channel, and in this video I want to talk to you about Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, because lots of you are asking me how low do I think Bitcoin can go for. So probably you want to sell and then buy as low as it go. I'll give you a simple answer to this. I don't know, and I don't think anybody knows, unless you are involved with people with lots of money or people working behind certain things when it comes to Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. Other than that, looking at charts, talking about predictions, speculating, I'll be honest with you, nobody really knows how low can Bitcoin go for. I mean, look at that jump. Did you see that? From 6,200 up to 6,000, almost 400. Wow, what a jump right here. And this is why I said to you guys, nobody really knows. Some of you are emailing me and saying, oh, I watched this video, someone was talking about Bitcoin, they were showing graphs and charts, and they were saying, oh, look at this amount of Bitcoins being sold in here, you know, it's going down, so it's going to continue going down. I'm predicting at 5,000, 4,000, whatever. And I always answer to people who ask me this or email me about these things. If this person that you watched was saying that the Bitcoin is going to go down to 4,000, whatever, and now the price is, let's say, 6,400, did you see that person selling any of their Bitcoins? And most of the time the answer is obviously, and I would say you not most, and 99% of the time the answer is no, because people are just trying to speculate and trying to sound and look smart by looking charts. If you had so much confidence, now if I knew that Bitcoin is gonna definitely go down to $5,000, you know, I'm showing you some charts and graphs, and I'm showing you why I think it's gonna go 5,000, and I'm currently holding 14 Bitcoins in my hardware wallet. I mean, let me tell you one thing, I'll sell immediately, because this means I'll earn almost $1,400 per Bitcoin. Now let's multiply this by 14, right? So I'm gonna open the calculator. I've got 14 Bitcoins, multiply this by about 1,400. This means I'm gonna earn almost $20,000. And do you think I'm not gonna do that if I really knew the price is gonna go down to 5,000? Nobody knows this, and everybody is just speculating. Remember this from me, guys. Things in the cryptocurrency move very fast. There are certain reasons that drives the price of Bitcoin, such as people obviously selling lots of Bitcoins. This will push the price down. People buying lots of Bitcoins will push the price up. News that break, we have seen with China, with some exchanges, when they announce you know, that they're adding up cryptocurrency, this obviously push the price up and all this. But we can't know, you know, we don't have this information. We only learn this information once it's done. So for me to sit here and try to be smart in front of you and say this is how much is going to go, I think I'm going to look actually stupid. Yes, it's easy also to speculate and show you and open you certain graphs and say, oh, this is why it's going to go down, because can you see here, there's lots of Bitcoin being sold, so of course it's going to go down. I mean, at the moment, you know, we all know why Bitcoin is going down. There was lots of investment into Bitcoin, as obviously the SegWit 2x was approaching, and people were putting money into. And I'll tell you one thing, traders were also using this opportunity to put money in, because they knew when there is something that people is going to get it for free, there will be lots of investment from the normal people, let's say like us. And of course they're going to ride the wave along us. They're going to invest money, they're going to push the price even further up, because obviously they have lots of money. We're talking millions in here, not 14 Bitcoins like I have, and some people don't even have a single Bitcoin. So they're going to push the price up with their huge investments. And as soon as the SegWit 2x was announced it's not going to happen, the price went up, because this was a breaking news. Price jumped to about 7,900, and we're now seeing what's happening. All these traders obviously are taking money out from Bitcoin, and I can tell you one thing, they're putting into Bitcoin Cash or into other investments, or maybe keeping in fiat. And they will obviously buy at certain point, they will just start buying up. And when you're talking millions, of course you're then going to drive again the price up. Another thing I've also talked to you about, and you can go in the history of my channel and you can see it, I've mentioned it on many videos, that when Bitcoin Cash was created, this gave a great opportunity to investors, not people like us holding long term, talking about people who make money this way. You know, that's how they make money. They don't mine, they don't invest into BitConnect or platforms like this. They don't do cloud mining, home mining, or whatever. They make money by obviously buying and selling, buying cheap, selling you know, at a higher price. And when Bitcoin Cash was created, this gives great opportunity for investors that don't want to be involved with other cryptocurrency to move their obviously money between Bitcoin Cash. And if you watch it again, as I said, and as we see right here, Bitcoin Cash is pumping, Bitcoin is going down. When Bitcoin starts pumping up, Bitcoin Cash is going to go down. Now, there are rare occasions when both of the cryptocurrency are going up or going down, but even if that was to happen by a very small percentage, here we see huge differences. I mean, $1,340, that is massive. A moment ago, in fact, the price was all the way up to about $1,400. So my advice would be, if you want to trade, you then have to put lots of effort into it. Probably follow Bitcoin 24/7 news. I don't know exactly what's going on around Bitcoin in order for you to make money. Not just watching a single video and saying, oh, this is what's going to happen, because again, as I said, and go back and watch any video with people using charts. This is why I don't use charts. I don't want to use charts and pretend that I am some sort of a genius and I understand too much about it, because charts don't make prices. What make prices is news and money, not charts. I mean, yes, if you're looking some professional trader, of course they use charts and things like this. We're not looking here at professional traders, because again, as I said, go and watch any of those videos, come back and comment down below. Did you see that person that, for instance, said today, if there is a video like this, and said Bitcoin is going to go down to 5,000, did you see that person live in front of you selling the position? Because again, as I said, I have 14 Bitcoins, and if I know for sure that the price is going to go for 5,000, if I make a video right here talking to you about the price of a Bitcoin going to 5,000, I will sell immediately, because I know I'm going to make, as I've shown you, and let's see it once more, I'm gonna make nearly $20,000, because if it drops down to 5, I'll buy back, and I'm gonna end up having 5,000. This will give me extra 4 Bitcoins. And you think I'm not gonna do that? Or if anyone, you know, is making a video about this thing's not gonna do that, if they really believe this is what's gonna happen, I don't think so. So there you have it, guys. My simple answer is I don't know. If I knew, I'm gonna be very rich by now. I'm gonna be doing trades right in front of you right now. I'm not just gonna be talking to you. I don't know. It's natural to see the price go down and go up, just like any market. And it's, you know, something that it does happen. One thing goes up, the other thing goes down. Here we're obviously seeing Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin Cash goes down. Bitcoin Cash goes up, Bitcoin goes down. You know, traders are moving money. That's how they make money. You know, it's, you know, you sell it. Let's say they didn't catch the 7,900 because obviously it was quick, but then they sold at 7.5 and they bought, let's say, at 5,000 when the price started to obviously go up as the SegWit 2x, you know, we knew is coming and all these things. Then they sold at 7.5, and I'm talking millions. Not again 14 Bitcoins or 20 Bitcoins, I'm talking millions. They sell, they make so much money, then they jump immediately, or if they didn't sell, they exchange immediately on 7.5 to Ethereum. Now Ethereum is jumped up, sorry, not Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash has jumped up way too much. Now they're moving back, we're talking millions, and these things could drive the price up, as well as, again, news, something's happening. You know, Amazon tomorrow announces that they're accepting Bitcoin right now. November 12th, we are starting to accept Bitcoin. This will jump the price immediately. Things like this, not charts by people that you don't see them trade. That's my opinion. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I personally am trying to trade, but very little, because trading is not easy. It needs it's hard. It's hard. There is emotions and whatnot. But if I knew that the price will fluctuate, you know, like we're seeing it fluctuate, I'll definitely be doing trades. And that's why you don't see me doing trades, because I can't tell you. I can't tell you what's going to happen or how low it's going to happen, because everyone wants to sell at the most expensive price and obviously buy at the cheapest price when it goes up and then when it goes down. It's hard to do it. If you want to do it, give it a try, of course, but be smart and don't just follow a single video or a chart that someone showed you. It's not that easy. You don't want to end up losing money. I've recently, and I'll end up the video, I don't want to make it too long. I watched the video, sorry, I didn't watch a video. I read an article on Reddit. I don't know when exactly was it. A person had 1.2 bitcoins. I think it was 1.2 bitcoins. They traded. They made it up to about 3 bitcoins, and then they lost almost everything. And they said no more trading. Trading is not easy. It's not easy. So what's the price gonna be later on for Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash? I don't know. Hopefully prices will continue to go up, and I'm sure they will. And if you don't want to do trade, just hold your Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash and enjoy long-term profits. That's the easiest, obviously, thing to do. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.